Everyone's hyping Google's new Veo 3 right now. And honestly, it deserves the hype. With just one simple text prompt, it can create insanely realistic videos that look like they belong on Netflix. It's like something out of the future. But while most people are busy talking about how cool the visuals look, I started asking myself a completely different question. Can this actually make you money? And the answer is yes. In fact, I've already seen creators turning this into $10,000 a month on faceless YouTube channels, and they're doing it completely free. In this video, I'm going to break it all down step by step. I'll even share a secret method I discovered that lets you earn even if your channel isn't monetized yet. By the time we're done, you'll know how to create viral, monetizable videos, even if you're a complete beginner. So, let's get into it. What exactly is Google Veo 3 and why is everyone obsessed with it? Google's new Veo 3 isn't just another AI, it's a game changer. With a simple text prompt, it creates ultra-realistic cinematic videos that look like they were shot by a professional film crew. What sets it apart is how it understands filmmaking, camera angles, lighting, mood, and flow. The first time I tried it, I was shocked. I typed one line and got something that looked like a Netflix trailer, and it doesn't stop there. Veo 3 adds background music, ambient effects, even full voiceovers automatically. Usually, you'd need a paid plan, but I discovered a trick to unlock unlimited videos for free. Before I show you the exact method, let me give you some proof. Right now, there are channels exploding just by posting ultra-realistic cinematic videos. One of them already has over 1.7 million subscribers built on this exact style. Most people see that and think it's way too hard, so they give up. But with Veo 3, it's not complicated anymore. You can create the same kind of content, videos that get millions of views, grow subscribers fast, and actually make you money. The catch? If you miss the method I'm about to share, your channel may never get monetized. Step 1, choosing your niche. The most important starting point is picking your niche. Don't overcomplicate it. I've already tested some of the most viral niches that work perfectly with Veo 3 videos. One of the biggest ones right now is cinematic storytelling. People love short stories with emotion, suspense, and drama. These videos are blowing up because they hook viewers within seconds. Another great niche is space and science facts. I've seen channels in this space rack up millions of views with simple, fascinating clips about the universe. And the best part? They're super easy to make with AI. But honestly, you don't have to stick to just these. Maybe you're passionate about philosophy, history, sci-fi, or even future predictions. The key is choosing something you're excited about, because if the topic excites you, you'll stay consistent. Once you've locked in your niche, it's time to find a viral topic. Step 2, finding a viral topic. I've got 2 fast methods for this. The first one is super simple. Go to YouTube, type in your niche, sort by most popular, and look for patterns. Notice which titles and thumbnails are getting millions of views. Then, make your own version of that idea, but put a unique twist on it. The second method saves you even more time. Just open ChatGPT and paste in this exact prompt. Give me viral YouTube video ideas in the Your Niche with proven high view potential. Include clickable titles I can use or tweak. Within seconds, you'll have tested topics and ready-to-go titles that already have a high chance of going viral. Once you've got your niche and topic, the next step is writing your script. Step 3, writing your script with AI. You don't need to be a writer. All you need is one powerful AI prompt. Here's the exact formula I use. Write me a insert-length, cinematic storytelling script on your topic, add an emotional hook, suspense, and a powerful conclusion. Format it like a YouTube voiceover. For each part of the story, generate a matching cinematic visual prompt. Click generate and boom, you instantly have a full voiceover script along with matching visual prompts for every scene. It's literally plug and play. Next, we feed those visual prompts into Google Veo 3. Step 4, bringing the script to life. Now, we need a voiceover that doesn't sound robotic. For this, I recommend 11 Labs. It's one of the most realistic AI voice tools available. Here's what I do. I sign up for a free 11 Labs account, head to Instant Speech, and choose a clear, slightly bold voice. It gives the story more power. Then, I paste my script, hit generate, and I've got a professional-sounding voiceover in seconds. Now, for the visuals. Remember, I promised to show you a free way to unlock Veo 3. Here's the exact trick. Step 5, unlocking VO3 for free. Here's how to unlock VO3 for free. Go to Google Cloud Skills Boost and search a tour of Google Cloud. Sign in with a regular Gmail account, enter your birth date, and start the lab. You'll see a 45-minute timer. Open Google Cloud Console in incognito, go to Vertex AI Media Studio, and there it is, VO3 unlocked. For those 45 minutes, generate unlimited clips. I paste in my ChatGPT prompts, add words like cinematic or realistic, and hit generate. In minutes, you'll have movie-quality scenes. Download each one, and if you're worried about clip limits, don't stress, I'll show you the workaround. Step 6, extending your video. Here's the hack. Ask ChatGPT to give you 1 to 2 image prompts for each video scene it wrote earlier. Take those prompts to Gemini and generate high-quality stills. You can use these stills to extend your video scenes, fill transitions, or even build dramatic pauses. This way, you're not stuck with just 8-second clips. Now it's time to put it all together. Step 7, editing your video. For editing, I recommend CapCut because it's free and powerful. Here's my process. When it comes to editing, I like to keep things simple but effective. The first thing I do is import all the video clips I created with VO3. After that, I upload the images I generated with Gemini and place them alongside the clips. This way, everything is lined up in the timeline so the video flows naturally from one scene to the next. Since VO3 clips usually come with random sound effects, I mute all of them. Then I bring in my voiceover from 11 labs and sync it carefully with each scene. If a clip feels too short, I extend the still images to make sure the pacing stays smooth. To give the whole video a more cinematic vibe, I add simple fade-in animations to the images. Finally, I download free sound effects from Pixabay, things like footsteps, wind, or background noise, to enhance the atmosphere. Suddenly, it feels like a real cinematic short. Step 8, monetization. Now, once your video is ready, you've got multiple ways to make money with it. Obviously, YouTube AdSense is one route once you're monetized. But even before that, you can start earning through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. For example, if your niche is science, you can link to space gadgets, books, or telescopes on Amazon. If you're doing storytelling, you can promote writing tools or AI apps. Brands pay well for shoutouts, even on smaller channels, if your content looks professional. So even without YouTube ads, your videos can still generate income streams. And that's how I use Google VO3 to create ultra-realistic viral videos for free and turn them into a money-making faceless channel. From choosing your niche, finding viral topics, generating scripts, unlocking VO3 for free, creating visuals, adding a realistic voiceover, editing with CapCut, and finally monetizing, it's all right here. The truth is, most people will watch VO3 demos and think, wow, that's cool, but never actually take action. If you start now, you're ahead of the curve. So, if you found this breakdown helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It honestly helps more than you know. Thanks for watching!